2007 American IronHorse LSC. Price, $12,500. Mileage, 1,400 miles. Location, Port St. Lucie, Florida. An exceptionally clean and low-mileage 2007 American IronHorse LSC, showing only 1,400 miles and finished in a bold candy red that perfectly highlights its aggressive custom styling. Powered by a massive 117 cubic inch SNS V-twin engine and paired with a manual transmission, this bike delivers serious torque and a raw, exhilarating riding experience. The Vance & Hines exhaust gives it a deep, unmistakable sound that matches its powerful presence. Built for riders who appreciate high-end American custom motorcycles, the LSC combines performance, comfort, and eye-catching design. Its long, low stance, premium components, and excellent overall condition make it ideal for cruising, bike nights, or adding to a collection. 2001 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy FLSTF. Price, $5,000. Mileage, 40,100 miles. Location, Garner, North Carolina. An extremely clean and well-cared-for 2001 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy FLSTF, finished in classic black and showing 40,100 miles. This bike has been meticulously maintained and garage-kept, reflecting pride of ownership throughout. Powered by Harley's dependable V-twin engine and paired with a manual transmission, it delivers smooth, confident performance with that unmistakable Fat Boy presence on the road. Known for its solid stance, wide wheels, and timeless styling, the Fat Boy offers a comfortable and stable ride that's perfect for cruising or longer trips. With its strong mechanical condition, classic look, and affordable price point, this 2001 Fat Boy is an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to own an iconic Harley-Davidson that's ready to ride and enjoy. 2010 Harley-Davidson Screamin Eagle. Price, $13,500. Location, Shreveport, Louisiana. Condition, used, like new. This 2010 Harley-Davidson Screamin Eagle is a fully built, head-turning custom bagger that blends serious performance with modern upgrades and show-quality presence. Powered by a rebuilt Screamin Eagle motor with approximately 22,000 miles, the bike is paired with a 6-speed transmission that has only 10 hours of use, delivering strong, reliable power and smooth shifting. The bike sits aggressively on brand new wheels and tires, 120 front/50 rear/26-inch wheel setup, giving it a bold stance that demands attention. 2007 Eddie Trotta Thunder Cycle Drop-Dead Signature Chopper, 330 rear tire. Price, $18,500. Location, United States. This is a 2007 Eddie Trotta Thunder Cycle Drop-Dead Signature Chopper, a true high-end custom motorcycle built by one of the most respected names in the custom bike world. Featuring an aggressive 330mm rear tire, this chopper has an unmistakable stance and show-quality presence. Built with premium components and expert craftsmanship throughout, this bike is not a typical custom. It's a professionally engineered Thunder cycle known for both performance and reliability. The drop-dead model is highly sought after and turns heads everywhere it goes. The motorcycle runs strong, rides smoothly, and has been well cared for. Clean build, quality finishes, and timeless custom styling make this an excellent option for collectors or riders looking for a standout custom chopper. SMW Custom Chopper. Price, $9,500. Mileage, estimated under 700 miles. Location, Ardmore, Oklahoma. A brutally clean and low-mileage 2007 SMW custom chopper, built from an SMW kit originally sourced in Ardmore and carefully assembled by a father and son team in New Mexico. With an estimated mileage of under 700 miles, this bike spent much of its life stored in a private shop, preserving its near-new condition. Power comes from a massive 114 Ci Ultima V-twin, delivering aggressive throttle response and serious torque. This is a true chopper that demands respect and experience from its rider. The bike is exceptionally well put together, showing quality craftsmanship and attention to detail throughout. It runs strong, looks sharp, and rides exactly like a high-powered custom should. Not a beginner bike by any means, but an excellent choice for an experienced rider looking for raw power, classic chopper attitude, and low-mile originality. Eddie Trotta Panhead Chopper. Price, $14,500. Mileage, under 700 miles. Location, Ardmore, Oklahoma. An authentic Eddie Trotta Panhead chopper, an iconic piece of American custom motorcycle history built with true old-school craftsmanship and unmistakable style. Known for his hand-built frames, flawless proportions, and attention to mechanical detail, Eddie Trotta choppers are respected worldwide and rarely come up for sale. Powered by a classic Harley-Davidson Panhead engine, this chopper delivers raw character, unmistakable sound, and a riding experience that modern bikes simply can't replicate. Built with traditional chopper lines, clean welds, and period-correct styling, this machine is as much rolling art as it is a motorcycle. From the rigid frame stance to the hand-fabricated details, everything reflects true custom heritage. 2009 Harley-Davidson CVO Springer. Price: $14,000. Mileage: 22,915 miles. Location: Clifton Park, New York. A rare and highly sought-after 2009 Harley-Davidson CVO Springer, finished in a stunning blue that perfectly highlights its iconic Springer front end and premium custom vehicle operations, CVO details. With 22,915 miles, this bike has been well-ridden and properly maintained, offering a perfect balance between collector appeal and real-world rideability. The manual transmission pairs seamlessly with Harley's powerful V-twin, delivering smooth torque and classic Harley character. Built as a limited production CVO model, this Springer features top-tier factory upgrades, high-end finishes, and distinctive styling that sets it apart from standard Harleys. The Springer front suspension not only gives it a timeless custom look, but also provides a unique, confident ride. 2005 Von Dutch Custom Chopper. Price: $15,500. Mileage: 12,897 miles. Location: Spokane, Washington. This 2005 Von Dutch Custom Chopper is a true one-of-a-kind machine that blends outlaw attitude with genuine custom shop pedigree. Finished in bold orange, it carries the unmistakable Von Dutch styling that made these bikes legendary. Long, lean lines, aggressive stance, and hand-finished details you just don't see on modern production customs. With 12,897 miles, it's been ridden enough to prove its reliability while still remaining a standout collectible. Powered by a manual transmission V-twin, this chopper delivers raw, mechanical riding character and a visceral connection to the road. Von Dutch Customs are known for their exclusivity and artistic influence, making this bike as much a rolling piece of motorcycle history as it is a rider. 2008 Harley-Davidson/Thunder Mountain Keystone 110 Custom Softail Chopper. Price: $17,654. Location: Syracuse, Utah, 30 miles north of Salt Lake City. Mileage, 8,699 original miles. Title, Clean and Clear. Up for sale is an extremely rare 2008 Harley-Davidson Thunder Mountain Keystone 110 custom Softail chopper with very low, well-cared for miles. This Keystone is a perfect blend of Harley-Davidson reliability and true custom chopper styling. Thunder Mountain Custom Cycles partnered directly with Harley-Davidson to create these semi-custom motorcycles, using approximately 80% Harley-Davidson components and 20% premium custom parts. The result is a bike that delivers the looks of a hardtail chopper, but rides comfortably thanks to its hidden rear suspension. The engineering and balance on these bikes is outstanding. They are surprisingly smooth, stable, and comfortable to ride. 2015 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Low. Price, $10,000. Mileage, 18,400 miles. Location, Georgetown, Texas. A rare 2015 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Low finished in eye-catching radioactive green, making it a true standout on the road. With 18,400 miles and a smooth manual transmission, this bike has been ridden enough to enjoy but remains in excellent condition. The Fat Boy Low combines classic Harley presence with modern comfort and performance, delivering the iconic V-twin rumble and effortless cruising experience Harley riders love. Perfect for collectors or anyone seeking a bold, unique cruiser, this Fat Boy Low offers unmistakable style, dependable performance, and a chance to own a rare factory color that's as fun to ride as it is to look at. 2020 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Fullcut. Price, $24,999. Mileage, 50,000 miles. Location, Dixon, Tennessee. A 2020 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra in bold green, combining touring comfort with three-wheel stability for an unmatched riding experience. This Tri-Glide comes equipped with FTD custom forged wheels, $4,100 value, and a striking Warlock 21-inch front wheel, giving it a commanding stance on the road. With 50,000 miles and a manual transmission, it has been well maintained and is ready for long-distance cruising or daily adventures. Perfect for riders seeking stability without sacrificing Harley style, this Tri-Glide Ultra delivers smooth performance, comfort, and the iconic V-twin rumble, all wrapped in a visually stunning package. Sold through Highway 48 Motorsports, this bike offers quality, reliability, and a show-stopping presence on every ride. 2004 Big Dog Ridgeback Chopper. Price, $5,500. Location, Belmond, Iowa. A powerful 2004 Big Dog Ridgeback chopper built for riders who crave performance and style, even if the paint is a work in progress. Powered by an SNS 107 engine delivering 110 horsepower and 120 ft-lbs of torque, this carbureted machine offers strong, exhilarating performance with a smooth, hard-hitting ride. Recent upgrades include a new clutch, 2025, new front and rear tires, and factory wiring upgraded in 2024 to a RIP kit for reliability. While the paint job is rough around the edges, the bike remains mechanically solid and dependable, ready to tear up the road. Perfect for riders who value performance over cosmetics, this Ridgeback chopper combines raw power, custom lines, and a true big dog attitude in one unforgettable ride. 2010 custom bike. Price, $10,000. Location, Pascagoula, Mississippi. A fully custom 2010 motorcycle built for riders who crave raw power and precision craftsmanship. Powered by a professionally tuned S&S motor with bored heads, upgraded coil, and a 5-speed transmission, this bike delivers an exhilarating ride with plenty of torque. The 23-inch spoked wheels and good condition tires give it a classic chopper stance, while 9-inch risers and 1-inch handlebars provide both style and control. Custom flame grips for the handle and throttle add a personalized touch, complemented by chrome and black accents. With over $38,000 invested in parts, detailed build records, and full maintenance documentation, this bike is a mechanically sound powerhouse. Extremely powerful and not for beginners, it's ready for a serious rider looking for a bold, head-turning custom chopper. Cash offers preferred, but trades may be considered. 2026 Harley-Davidson Custom. Price, $30,000. Mileage, 400 miles. Location, Bargersville, Indiana. A striking 2026 Harley-Davidson Custom built for riders who demand performance and head-turning style. Built from the ground up on a 1997 Softail frame, this bike features meticulous craftsmanship, modern upgrades, and classic Harley presence. Finished in sleek white, it combines clean lines with aggressive custom touches, giving it a commanding look on the road. With only 400 miles and one owner, it's practically brand new and ready to ride. The manual transmission ensures an engaging and responsive experience, while the custom build guarantees a unique collectible chopper that stands out at shows, cruises, and every mile in between. Perfect for enthusiasts seeking exclusivity, performance, and timeless Harley style in one complete package.